Did you know the IRS already owns a piece of your 401k? Every time Congress raises taxes, their share of your retirement grows, not yours. But more and more entrepreneurs and small business owners are done playing that game. They're using a structure that grows completely tax-free, shields their wealth from future tax hikes, and lets them access cash without ever triggering a 1099. It's called an Index Universal Life Policy, or IUL, and it's the unfair advantage the smart business owners use to retire with control, not hope. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works and how you can build a tax-free structure inside your business to keep more of what you earn. At the end of this video, you'll see how a properly structured IUL can become your unfair advantage blueprint, your private, tax-free retirement system built for business owners. Here's what you'll discover. Number one, how it captures market growth but locks out losses. Number two, how it compounds tax-free under IRS Code 7702. Number three, why it has no R&Ds, no income limits, and no age restriction. Number four, how you can borrow against it while your money keeps compounding. Number five, how real business owners are using it to outperform traditional plans. And number six will be a bonus, a free AI tool that lets you plug in your numbers and see what this could look like for you. So stick around. That bonus alone can change how you think about retirement forever. Remember 2008? Experts were saying housing prices never go down. And then everything crashed. I was sitting at my kitchen table, staring at my 401k statement. Half of what I've saved had vanished overnight. It didn't matter how hard I worked or how disciplined I'd been. I was losing control of my own future. And that's when I realized something powerful. Entrepreneurs like us build businesses to create freedom. Yet, we've been told to store our wealth in a system designed to take it away. So I went searching, not for another investment, but for a structure that actually protects business owners. Something that lets your money grow tax-free, stay liquid, and stay protected, no matter what the market or Washington decides to do. That search led me to the concept of IUL. And it didn't just change my financial life. We've helped over 20,000 entrepreneurs and families protect their legacy and create tax-free retirement income since 2017. Today, my company, Black Swan Insurance Group, is built on one simple mission. We help business owners stop guessing and start building predictable, protected wealth with real math, not Wall Street hype. And if you're curious what a tax-free retirement system could look like inside your business, click the link below to book a quick tax-free wealth strategy session with us. In just 15 minutes, me and my team will map out your custom unfair advantage blueprint so you can see in real numbers how to turn business income into predictable, protected, tax-free wealth. No sales pitch, just clarity. Then stay with me because right up to this, I'll show you exactly how this strategy works. What is an IUL? Think of an IUL as a financial structure with two wings. One wing protects your family with life insurance, and the other one builds wealth through a cash value account that grows tax-free. Your money doesn't ride the stock market roller coaster. It simply mirrors an index like the S&P 500. When the market rises, you capture growth. When it crashes, your floor locks at 0%. You never lose money. That zero floor is your foundation, the concrete slab your wealth can stand on. That's why an IUL isn't just a policy. It's your unfair advantage blueprint, engineered for protection, growth, and control. Imagine two business owners on the same road trip to retirement. One drives the old 401k, white-knuckled, racing for every crash and detour. The other drives an IUL, a precision-built autopilot vehicle that adjusts automatically, slows on sharp turns, and never crashes. You still choose the destination? Your IUL just handles the turbulence, giving you a smoother, safer ride to financial freedom. But here's what most business owners miss. IRS doesn't just tax your gains. It taxes your timing too. And that's where IRS Code 7702 changes the game. Here's where your unfair advantage becomes official. In 1984, Congress wrote IRS Code 7702, defining what qualifies as life insurance. When designed properly, every dollar inside your IUL grows tax-deferred and can be accessed tax-free through policy loans. No capital gains, no 10% penalties, no required distribution. It's not a loophole, it's the law. The only difference? Most business owners have never been shown how to use it. So let's say your IUL has $100,000 in cash value. and you need $20,000 for equipment, expansion, or a marketing campaign. So you don't withdraw it, you borrow against it. So your $100,000 stays fully invested and keeps compounding. It's like owning a building that keeps earning rent while you're remodeling it. If your policy grows faster than the loan costs, you profit, tax-free. And that's how smart entrepreneurs create liquidity without liquidation. In the last 25 years, between 1998 and 2023, the market soared, crashed, recovered, crashed again, then came back again, close to the all-time highs. And the IUL, it just keeps compounding. Skipping losses is like skipping traffic. Even if you move slower, you still arrive faster. That's the quiet power of protection and consistency. Two things every business owner appreciates. And here's that special bonus I mentioned earlier. We built an IUL custom GPT. It's a free AI-powered tool for entrepreneurs who want to see real numbers, not theory. It explains how this strategy works in plain English, and it shows you your potential outcomes instantly. You can ask it things like, if I put $1,000 a month into an IUL, what kind of tax-free income could that create for me? What happens if I need to access the money early? Can this protect my spouse or my business if something happens to me? It's like having your own financial architect on demand, helping you design your tax-free wealth blueprint 24/7. That's your free bonus and your next step toward clarity. Meet Jason. He's 45 years old. He owns a construction business and he makes around $350,000 a year. He's built homes for everyone else, but never one for his retirement. Every April, another tax bill. Every downturn, another gut. We help Jason redirect $3,000 a month, 10 years, into a properly structured IUL. At 65, he's projected to have about $900,000 in cash value, generating around $80,000 a year, tax-free for life. Jason didn't gamble on Wall Street. He engineered his own unfair advantage and finally put the IRS in a passenger seat. So let's step back and look at what you just discovered. How IUL captures market growth while protecting against losses. How IRS Code 7702 allows that growth to compound tax-free. How policy laws create liquidity without interrupting compounding. How consistency beats volatility every single time. And how you can use IUL Custom GPT to explore your own unfair advantage in real numbers. So if you're ready to stop letting the IRS and the Wall Street call the shots, book your free tax-free wealth strategy session below with us. We'll design your personalized unfair advantage blueprint step by step, so your business income finally builds your freedom. Or if you'd rather keep learning, watch the next video, how to max fund your IUL, the secret to unlocking its full tax-free potential. That video is the sequel to this one. It's where we reveal how smart entrepreneurs supercharge their IULs, turning a good plan into a lifetime of predictable, protected tax-free income. It's the difference between owning a policy and engineering a legacy. And remember, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep. Enjoy the ride.